Hi everybody, Tina here from Midlife Fabulous, and today I'm going to show you how to get ready really quickly for one of those last minute video conference calls that just pops up out of nowhere. So we're going to put a face on in just about a minute. It's not going to be a full glamour face, it's just going to be a quick face that will just lift and brighten myself a little bit. And I know that having makeup on doesn't define the quality of my work or me personally, but what it does do for me is it gives me a little bit of a lift. It shows that I have a bit of pride in my appearance, which then hopefully translates through to me having pride in my work, which I do really have a lot of pride in the quality of the work that I do. Also with my family and friends, I find, especially with my dad, I find that if I don't have just a tiny bit, he doesn't even ever know I've got makeup on, but if I don't just have a little bit, I look tired and people go, oh, you look tired, Teen, and I don't want to look tired. I want to look fresh and refreshed, and I want to look the best that I can on a video conference call. So I'm going to do it really quickly today, and I find the key to getting ready quickly for one of these video conference calls is preparation. I think that's like across the board with a lot of things really. So preparation is the key, and what I've done here is I've popped together just a little pack of just a couple of the items. So this wouldn't be to do a whole face to go out for an evening or to do a show or anything like that. This is just to do my face quickly for when I've got a video conference call, and I pop everything I need in this pack and I have it sitting near my computer. So if you're working from home, then you may have it on your dining room table or your kitchen bench, or if you're working from an office, then you can have it in your drawer at work. So it's just a kit of my essentials, and I'm going to go through quickly with you what I use for my essentials, and I think that they'll work for you too. Two of the things that I do like to do first, and I've got one of them done now and I'm due for the other one, is I dye my eyebrows. So that takes out one part. I don't have to actually put any makeup on for my brows. So I've done a little tutorial on dyeing my DIY at home, doing your eyebrows. And the second one is getting a lash lift. I occasionally go and get a lash lift and a tint, which then alleviate me having to put on the mascara just for a neutral face. So that just lifts and curls your lashes, and it tints them and makes them darker, which opens my eyes a bit more. So I'm due to go and get that one done again soon. And the products I have in my bag here is, I always have a dry hair shampoo, and this one is a great one. It's actually, it's an advanced volume as well, so it gives me a little lift in my hair, as well as pulling out a bit of that, you know, the grease that's in my hair because I haven't washed it for a couple of days here. My little soft brush, and oh yes, you probably noticed I've got my name on the back of that because my husband often pinches that one. I have my favorite foundation, which this one is great. It's from Pure Cosmetics, and it's a 4-in-1. So this is a spare one that I have sitting next to my computer. And then if you don't have a full spare little compact with everything in it for eyes, cheeks, highlighter, etc., then just grab a bronzer. I find that a bronzer will work perfectly for this look, and I'll actually probably only use the bronzer out of this kit today to show you that, but this one's just a little kit palette that I've got that has a bronzer, a blush, a highlighter, and then 2 different eye colors. But today let's just work with the bronzer. So if you only have one spare product, have it being the bronzer. Then I have a mascara. So if I haven't had my lashes tinted, definitely a mascara. I find it opens my eyes. And again, just a really quick liner as well, because I find with my eyes being the almond shape that they look tired if I just don't do a little bit of line on the end. So this one is a quick, easy one to put on. And just a little bit of gloss. I find just having a bit of gloss on the lips, you can pop it on quickly. It doesn't have to be on perfectly, and that gives your lips a little bit of plumpness. I use this one instead of the brow product. It's a brow tamer because my brows go a bit wild sometimes. So that I'll put on last if I've got time to do it. And then I just have 3 brushes, so very simple brushes. I've got a kabuki brush for my foundation, and I find I don't wash this one or clean this one as much as I do my day-to-day brushes, because I like this one to hold the makeup in it, because then I don't have to dab as much into my foundation and I can really get a quick base on. Then I have a blush brush and just a basic brush that I can use for shadow and highlighting and a bit of bronzing. That's a basic shape. It's a bit bigger than a normal eyeshadow brush, but I like to use this one just with this face today. So let's get going. Should we put the timer on? Right. So I dab it in quickly into my 4-in-1. If I've got product on here already, or if I'm really in a hurry, I don't even worry about dabbing it in. I just go over. It's just to take the redness out of my skin, and it's just to give my complexion an even appearance. So that's really quick, that's it. I don't do any more than that. It's just a really quick little dab, bring it down. Okay, that's done. Then let's just dab into the bronzer part of this. So again, with the little brush there that's a bit bigger, and then I just quickly go over the eyes, just quickly. I'm not doing a full shadow. I'm just giving them a little bit of color because my eyes don't have color at all. I'm going just above that brow bone on me because I've got a little bit of the hooded eyes, and I find that if I don't pop it just up over the brow bone, it makes my eyes look closed and tired. Don't do that neatly. Grab my brush, my foundation brush, and just tailor off those edges there so I've got no harsh edges. That's that. Grab my blush brush. Now if you're only using your bronzer, dip just into your bronzer. If you've got a compact and you've got a blush in it, then just use your blush, but grab on that. So just really quick there, that's done. I'm gonna grab my liner now, and I'm just gonna do a quick little half eye, just really quick. And we're not up close, it's just to open my eye a little bit, tiny bit under because I've got very fair lashes there as well, not too much. Getting there. And now if I haven't got my lashes tinted, I like this one, it's a big look. It's quite a, it's a good coverage without being clumpy. I don't want to have clumpy spider eyes. So I think you can see probably already that I've gone from looking a bit tired to looking fresher. So there's that. Now I'm just going to quickly, I've got time, so I'm going to quickly just tame my brows a bit. So they're not all wild and woolly, which they tend to have a bit of a mind of their own. Like that. A tiny bit of gloss. Now with the sheerer glosses, you don't have to even worry about getting a perfect line. It's just to give your lips a little bit of sheerness and plumpness. And then the last thing I'm going to do, just because I still got a couple of seconds, is I'm just going to grab some bronzer, pop it around, just because it's been winter. Just coming into autumn now when I'm shooting this, so I want to look a little bit alive. And then just blend it. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, that's my face, so I'm not sure how long that took, but it didn't take that long. Now I'm just going to pop the dry hair shampoo in because my hair, I haven't washed it for a week. Pop this in. This one's good because it gives it a bit of height, as well as drawing out the dirt that's in my hair. So I spray that. I just do that around the front because I don't care about the back. No one can see the back. Let that set for a bit. Rub it through. Some of them are a powder as well. They're good. You can buy those at the supermarket. I like this one. It's the Nick Chavez one. Do that. Then give my hair a quick brush. I like to leave my hair out. Feels my face isn't as harsh on the camera. And that's it. Ready to go. Look fresh. I'm ready for my conference call, got all my work done, and I am good to go. So I'll do a little list down below of what I feel the essentials are that you need for that. Have a good day, and maybe I'll do a video conference with you one day.